This lesson is on deleting rows of data within a table. Have you seen that we can insert whole rows, but we can also delete whole rows of data? You see here I have 3 rows of data in the publisher table. So if I want to delete some data, I could say delete, and I don't say star or any columns because I'm deleting rows from publisher. If I do that, I'm going to lose everything. I want to use a where clause. Let's run this. It's all gone. Everybody's gone. I have no publishers. Boy, am I sad. Let's go back to the reload bookpub database, and I'm going to hit the enter key and let it go through its thing. It's still clocking. Okay, so it seems to have done it. I will check this out, take this delete out, and I'll just run this, and I've got my data back. Whew. That's good news. Let's use the delete statement with a where clause now. Where, let's say, name, like, new, %, close quote. I didn't want to type out New Age books, and I knew only one of my publishers began with new, so I can do it this way. I can use pattern matching in this where clause in a delete statement. No problem. Let's try it. It's gone. And when it's gone, it's gone. It's as easy as that. I can delete one row. I can delete all the rows. I can delete some of the rows based on the criteria in the where clause. But remember that if you want to delete the rows and drop the whole table, get rid of the whole table, you have to use the drop statement. This ends our lesson on the delete statement.